Hi, I'm Ms. Hearn. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to talk about how to write the equation of a line when we're given a point and a slope. In particular, in this problem, we've been asked to use two types of equations of lines, two forms of the equation of a line. The point-slope form and the slope-intercept form. The point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This is the form that we generally use when we're given a point, which we're going to refer to as x1, y1, and we're given a slope, which of course we call m. Usually we use this in order to write the equation of a line, and then we simplify it into another form. We've been asked to give our answer in slope-intercept form, which is the y equals mx plus b form that most people really like. All right, so we're going to start by working with this point-slope form. We're going to identify the point and the slope that we were given. We were told that our line is going to go through the point 6, 0. So I'm going to write 6, 0 under my ordered pair x1, y1 so that I know what's my x1 and what's my y1. And then we were told that the slope is 2/5. So I'm going to write 2/5 under m. Next, I'm going to replace each of the values x1, y1, and m with the numbers that we were given. So instead of x1, I'm going to put a 6. Instead of y1, I'm going to put a 0. Instead of m, I'm going to put 2/5. But everything else is going to stay the same. So we have y minus 0 equals 2/5 of x minus 6. Now this really is the equation of the line, but that's not how we like to leave our answer. And in fact, in this case, we've been told to put it in slope-intercept form. And what you might notice about slope-intercept form is the y is by itself, and there are no parentheses. So I'm going to get y by itself, which y minus 0 is just y, so I'm kind of done with that. But I'm also going to distribute the 2/5 to each term. So whenever you have a number being multiplied by parentheses, and inside the parentheses you have a sum or a difference, you need to distribute that number out front to each term. So I'm going to multiply 2/5 times x, which is just 2/5 x. And then I'm going to multiply 2/5 times -6, which is going to give me a negative of whatever 2/5 times 6 is. Don't let fractions intimidate you. Think of the 6 as a fraction. Think of it as 6 over 1. We're just going to multiply straight across, top times top, bottom times bottom. So we have y equals 2/5 x minus, we're going to have 12 over 5. All right, so notice that this is in slope-intercept form, which is the form we were asked to give our solution in. So we are done. The nice thing about slope-intercept form is you can identify the slope, m, which is 2/5, and the y-intercept, -12/5, without any trouble. So we like that form a lot. So a lot of times you'll be asked to leave your answer in that form. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That helps other students to find the video.